दिस वॉज एन अनप्लान ट्रिप टू भितरकनिका नेशनल पार्क. सो उसी दिन ही तन्मय मुझे कॉल किया कि भाई चल भितरकनिका घूमने चलते हैं. तो मैं सोचा कि क्यों ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस करे, फ्रेंड्स लोग भी है और मैं भी कभी भितरकनिका पहले नहीं गया हूँ. तो मैं बोला कि ठीक है आ जाओ तुम लोग, 2-3 बजे तक हम निकल जाएंगे. लेकिन ये लोग आने में, मनोज और तन्मय वहाँ से भुवनेश्वर से आने में लेट किया और वो लोग यहाँ पे कटक में पहुँचे 7 बजे अराउंड. तो यहाँ से हम लोग 7:15 को निकले. तो भितरकनिका जो है हम गुप्ती में रुकने वाले थे. एक गेस्ट हाउस बुक हुआ था, ट्विंकल थैंकफुली वो गेस्ट हाउस बुक कर ली थी. तो हम लोग यहाँ से निकले और पहुँचते पहुँचते 10-10:30 बज गया. वहाँ पे थोड़ा खाना पीना खाए, उसके बाद सो गए. फिर सुबह हम लोग जर्नी चालू किए. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. सो तन्मय विल डिस्क्राइब अस व्हाट भितरकनिका नेशनल पार्क इज़ एंड व्हाट इज़ द स्पेशलिटी अबाउट भितरकनिका.
हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है. भितरकनिका नेशनल पार्क एक ड्रीम कम ट्रू है. उड़ीसा में भितरकनिका नेशनल पार्क is one among the 105 national parks in India, and it is the only national park where all kinds of crocodiles, right from mother and that gharial and that three kind of mothers are found in India. All kinds of mothers are present in Bhitarkanika National Park. Apart from that, there is Gahir Matha Rukeri, which is the largest nesting ground for olive ridley turtle, and it is a very unique place. And everybody who is a nature lover must visit this place. Although we are all Odia people, till date we haven't visited this place, but हमको एक opportunity मिला है हमको विजिट करने का. हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं, एंड वी आर privileged enough that we got this forest guest house to Twinkle, and thanks to her also कि वो भी हमारे साथ आ रही है ज्वाइन करने के लिए. एंड that's all.
Oh, thank you Tanmay. That's a nice intro. Now Twinkle has also joined us, and after having a great breakfast, we have started our journey after booking the forest boat for Bhitarkanika trip. So let's enjoy Bhitarkanika National Park and mangrove forest. Hello guys, now we are at Bhitarkanika. You can see the mangrove plants over here, and we are going by this boat. Here is Tanmay. Both are UPSC aspirants for your kind information. And here the aunt and son of Sipa. And our captain and our president all in one. This is the second largest mangrove forest after Sundarban. You can enjoy this stunning and mesmerizing natural view.
ହେନ୍ତାଳର ପତ୍ରରେ କୁମ୍ଭୀର ତାର ବସା କରେ ଅଣ୍ଡା ଦେବ. ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଘର ଚାହିଁଲେ ବନା ହେଇଛି, ତା ପତ୍ରରେ ଘର ଛାପ, ଲମ୍ବା ଲମ୍ବା ବାଡ଼ି ସେଇଟା ପାଣି ନ ଲାଗିଲେ 100-1000 ବର୍ଷ ସେଇଭଳିଆ ସେ ରହିଛି. କୁମ୍ଭୀର ଭାଇନା ପଛେ ଭାଇନା ବହୁତ ପ୍ରକାର ଏଠି କୁମ୍ଭୀର ଅଛନ୍ତି. ଆଉ ବଉଳା ଯେଉଁଟା ବିଶ୍ୱର ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ କୁମ୍ଭୀର ଆମର ଏଠି ଭିତରକନିକାରେ ସେ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ କୁମ୍ଭୀର ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ ହିଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ. ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଆମ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର କେତେଟା ସଂଖ୍ୟା କେତେ ଅଛି କେତେ ଗଣା ହେଲେ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ନଲେଜ କେତେ ଅଛି? 1800 କେତେ ଅଛି? ସେ ସବୁଠୁ ଏଗ୍ରେସିଭ୍ ଆଉ ସବୁଠୁ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଏଗ୍ରେସିଭ୍ ଦେଖା ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଭାଇନା କହୁଛନ୍ତି. ପାଣି ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାଡ଼ୁଛି ଆମର ରେଡ୍ଲି ସିଜିନ୍ ମାନେ ବର୍ଷା ଦିନେ ବେଶୀ ସୁବିଧା. ଆଉ ନର୍ମାଲି ଶୀତ ଦିନେ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିବ? ବାର୍ଡ଼ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିବ, ଡିଅର୍ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିବ, କ୍ରୋକୋଡାଇଲ୍. ବାର୍ଡସ୍, ଡିଅର୍, କ୍ରୋକୋଡାଇଲ୍.
except mangrove forest, you can find here 7 to 8 kinds of kingfisher birds, the most wild crocodile in the world, around 1800 to 2000 crocodiles here in the depth of this river. And you will find red crab, you will find spotted deer, you will find other migratory birds also. I think you can clearly see that surfaced crocodile over there. Here there are also a lot of wild animals you can find, as it is a national park. You can see here that wild pig there. That is, I think, feeding those grasses, pasture, and I think it noticed us. Oh, ran away.
ସେଠି କ'ଣ କଲେ ଲୋକ ଚାଷ ଖରାପ ହେଲା ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଟ୍ରାପ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ରାତିରେ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ ତାର ବିଛାନ୍ତି
ବାରାକୁ ଟ୍ରାପ୍ କରିବା ବାରାକୁ ଟ୍ରାପ୍ କରିବା
ଚାଷ ଖରାପ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏମାନେ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ବି ମରିଯାନ୍ତି ରାତିରେ ବାନ୍ଧିକି ଆସିଲେ ଛୁଆ ହେଇଗଲା ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ ହେଲେ ହାଇ ପାୱାର
A huge lizard is over there. Right now I have reached at Bhitarkanika Museum, and we are going to explore this museum. Stay with us. Here you can see red crabs. Huge numbers of red crabs are here. Here you can find the pneumatophores. This is the specialization of mangrove forest. They are actually the respirating roots. They emerge out of the soil to respire. This is stilt root. This is also a characteristics of mangrove plants because they need support. Actually, there is submergence, so they need support to grow. Can you spot that deer, spotted deer over there? It's so lovely. Okay, ran away. Guys, this is the hatchery unit. Here you can find 10 specialized room. From 1 year to 10th year, they have like kept here the crocodiles. They are shifting from first year, then second year, then up to 10th year, and after 10th year they are releasing these crocodiles to the river. So guys, now we are at भितरकनिका नेशनल पार्क एंड हम लोग अभी हैचरी यूनिट गए थे. वहाँ पे 1 साल से लेके 10 साल तक जो क्रोकोडाइल्स है उनको रखा गया है. बहुत सारे डियर्स भी थे और बहुत सारे बर्ड्स भी थे यहाँ पे और क्रोकोडाइल भी. सो हियर इज़ आवर चॉकलेट बॉय तन्मय. So describe about this national park. What you have seen, how was your experience till now?
Experience was quite thrilling and amazing.
Mixed experience. Huh?
Mixed experience in the sense, first park is not much about nature based. It is all about wild based, wildlife based. So the main attraction is here crocodile. This is world famous crocodile center.
This is the museum inside Bhitarkanika National Park, nearby the hatchery unit. You can visit here, and here they have preserved different kind of species, different lizards, different crocodile specimen, their eggs, then lobster, crab, snakes, different kinds of snakes you can find here. They have preserved it over 10 to 15 years, and they are changing that formalin that is used as preservant each year, maybe each year or in 1.5 year. And you can also find a big crocodile specimen here inside this museum that has recorded in Guinness Book of World, and they are mentioning here it is mentioned also this is 19.3 meter also. You can see here complete skeleton of saltwater crocodile, and that is something around 19.5 feet of length, and this is Guinness Book of World Record. And the workers here they are also mentioning that another crocodile is here inside that river that is around of 21 feet. Here you can see the group of spotted deers. Wow. After visiting the Bhitarkanika Museum as well as hatchery unit, right now we are at bird sanctuary. You can see here a lot of birds, but now they are not here. In winter season, if you will come, then you will find a lot of birds, different migratory birds here. And winter season like November, December, January, this is the best time, I think, what they have mentioned, what they have experienced. This is the best time to see the crocodiles. This is the best time to see the different animals as well as different migratory birds. You can visit, you can explore at that time only. So that is recommended. But look at this place. This is awesome, right? Birds and crocodile census they are doing every year. You can also apply for the bird census. You have to register yourself and you have to visit this place. to count the birds. মানে বহিরে রখিলে পাঠ বেশি পড়ে রখନ୍ତି এটা গজা গଛ ଡ୍ରାଏ ଖାଇଲାম ରେଡ୍ କଲର ରେଡ୍ କଲର
ଛତୁ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରୀୟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସିଥିଲା କୋଉଟା ତିନିଟା ତ ହବ
This is the place inside that bird sanctuary where migratory birds usually come during winter, and you can find here a lot of migratory birds in winter season especially. Look at these pneumatophores, how they have emerged out of the water and they are helping the plants to respire. We have returned from bird sanctuary and here you can see a crocodile sleeping over the land with mouth opens, and here is a bird also. Guys, we have enjoyed a lot today in this Bhitarkanika National Park. We have visited Bhitarkanika Museum, Crocodile Hatchery Unit, Bird Sanctuary. We have seen kingfisher birds, few migratory birds who have established here, crocodiles, red crabs, spotted deers, pneumatophores, steelroot, mangrove trees, etc. We enjoyed a lot the stunning natural beauty of Bhitarkanika National Park. If you want to visit this place, I would suggest you to visit in winter. Lastly, we are thankful to Twinkle and the Forest Department for their lovely gesture during this trip. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much Twinkle, Tanmay and Manoj. Thank you.